In a small town, nestled between the rolling hills, lived a young artist named Lily. She was known for her beautiful drawings, but one day, she found herself stuck. She had an idea for a masterpiece, but she couldn't seem to bring it to life on her canvas. One day, while wandering through the market, she came across an old man selling strange objects. Among them was a small, peculiar brush. The old man told her it was a magic brush that could bring ideas to life. Skeptical but intrigued, Lily bought the brush. At home, Lily held the brush and started to sketch her idea. As she painted, she felt a strange energy flowing through the brush and into her hand. She continued to paint, her brush strokes becoming bolder and more confident. Suddenly, her masterpiece came to life. The characters and scenes she had drawn began to move and speak. Lily was astonished and a little scared, but she soon realized that the magic brush had given her the ability to bring her ideas to life. From that day forward, Lily never struggled with her art again. She could bring any idea to life with her magic brush. But she soon realized that the real magic was not in the brush, but in her own imagination and determination. The magic brush taught Lily a valuable lesson, that with imagination, determination, and a little bit of effort, she could bring her ideas to life. She continued to create beautiful works of art, inspiring others in her town. In the end, the magic brush was not just a tool, but a symbol of what can be achieved when we believe in ourselves and our ideas. And Lily, with her magic brush in hand, continued to bring joy and inspiration to the world.